Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty Abuntan. So to my whole subscribers, thank you also so much for your support. I say may the good Lord bless you all in Jesus name. So without wasting much of your time guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make dinner roll in this recipe. So over here are all my ingredients for this dinner roll. So over here I have 650 grams of flour. I am using all-purpose flour, so you can also use bread flour if you have, depending on the one you have at hand. So over here is my butter. I have about 100 grams of butter here. I have dried yeast here. This is about 2 spoons of dried yeast. So over here I have a pinch of salt. I have 1 cup of milk here. So this milk is not neither hot nor cold. It's just in between. So over here I have 2 eggs. Over here I have my sugar. This is 1/4 of my sugar. So I will be adding it. So what we are going to do now is just to take our bowl. This is our mixing bowl. So I'm going to be adding my milk into it. This is the 1 cup of milk. Then I will be adding my 2 eggs. So I'm just going to divide it into 6. And my tuna, I've already lined it with my baking sheet just to cover it, allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Then before we start, rolling it and put it inside our pan. So in 30 minutes, guys, we are going to open it, and we're going to, but before we open it, what I'm going to do is just to take my plastic foil. So I will be putting it on top of here because this is my scale. So I'm going to make sure that everything, all the dough are all equal. So what I'm going to do now is just to cut some parts, place it here like this. Then this is our dough. What we are going to be doing is just to maybe about 40 grams or 30 grams should be okay. Guys, take a look at this. This is 85 grams, which means I'm going to take a little out of it. Let me put this just to see. So this one is 113. Guys, what I'm going 20 pieces, so I'm going to bring it down on my 12 pieces. So what I'm going to do now is just to try to make it round. As you guys can see what I'm doing here, this is very round, so I'm going to be placing it at the middle because this pan can take about 16 to 20 pieces. These are just have the calculation of 12, so I'm going to make use of what I have calculated for. Do now is just to cover it, allow it to rise for about 45 minutes before putting it in my oven. So I'm going to put it in a very warm place. So I'm going to leave it for 45 minutes, then put it in my oven. Then I will show you guys later before putting it into the oven. Our dinner roll is rising. This is it. This is our dinner roll. It's ready now to go to the. I'm just going to break a egg. So I have over here, I have 1 egg and some milk. So I'm just going to whip it together while we use it to. So what will I be doing now is just to take my brush, then use it to brush the dinner roll. Make sure that it's well saturated. This is very fluffy, yummy and delicious. Guys, by this time my oven is already preheated, guys. My oven is already preheated. So I'm just going to put it to my oven. So when it's hot, guys, so I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then when it's ready, I will show you guys the finishing part of it. Now roll is ready. Guys, take a look at the fluffiness. It looks so fluffy and yummy, guys. So I'm going to take one out of it and show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to take this one. take a look at it. This is it, and also this is it. So I'm just going to open it. Look at it, guys. It looks so yummy, so fluffy, tasty. Guys, you need to try this. You need to try it. So yummy. Thank you all so much. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, maybe you have never seen me before, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And leave me your comment. Leave me your comment under the comment section, and I will get back to you. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed, guys.